Hello everyone. We are going to start reviewing the Computational and Algorithmic Thinking 2011 to 2015, a book by David Clark that aims to help students to be ready for the computational and algorithmic thinking competition that takes place in Australia. So let us start with the questions or the exercises from the applying rules section. And the first exercise says, on a distant planet, the dominant carnivore, the sab, is nearing extinction. The number of sabs born in any year is one more than the positive difference between the number born in the previous year and the number born in the year before that. So what that means is that to get to know the sabs born in year n, we should know we are going to take the absolute difference between the sabs born in year n minus 1 minus the sabs born in year n minus 2 plus 1. As an example, if we want to know how many sabs would be born this year, that means 2022, we should know the sabs born in 2021 minus the sabs born in 2020 and add 1 to that positive or absolute difference. The book gives us some examples. Examples are if seven sabs were born last year and 5 the year before, 3 would be born this year. So let's take those numbers and apply that to our example. Let's say that 7 sabs were born in 2021 minus 5 born the year before. That means 5 would be born in 2020 plus 1. That is 2 plus 1 equals 3. Okay. So the other example is if 7 sabs were born last year and then the year before, 4 would be born this year. These exercises of applying rules are very straightforward, and what the student or anyone that wants to solve these kind of questions, of tests, has to do is to apply the rules. What is the rule here? Well, our rule this time is this one. So let's get going with the exercise. 2 sabs were born in the year 2000 and 9 sabs were born in 2001. What is the first year after 2000 when just 1 sab will be born? Well, as I was saying before, what we have to do is to just apply this rule. So let's start with sabs born in year 2002. And for that, we need to count the subs born in 2001, which are 9, minus those subs born in year 2000, which were 2 plus 1. And that gives us 7 plus 1 equals 8. For those subs born in year 2003, we are going to use this number, which represents the subs born in year 2002 minus the subs born in 2001 plus 1. That is equals to minus 1 plus 1 equals 2. Just one more. For those subs born in 2004, we use the difference between the subs born in 2003, which were 2, minus the subs born in 2002, which were 8, plus 1. And we have that absolute value of minus 6 plus 1 equals 7. And if we continue doing this same operation, we are going to meet the condition to get just one sub born in 1 year. What is that condition? Well, the condition is that the subs born in 2 consecutive years must be the same, so that this difference is equal, so that this difference equals 0, because the subs born in year n minus 1 would be the same as those born in year n minus 2. So this gives us 0. So that when we add 1, we will just have one sub born in year n. The answer this time is letter Z, because the subs born in 2011 would be equal to the number of subs born in 2012, which are 2 subs born in 2 consecutive years. So that's it for today. Please subscribe if this is helpful for you. Thank you.